Vivo has Zeiss, Xiaomi has Leica, OnePlus and Oppo had Hasselblad, but it's known that OnePlus has ended its camera partnership with Hasselblad, while Oppo has extended it. In reality, an interesting discussion popped up in OnePlus online where the DeltaMax engine, an in-house engine, was introduced by them. The trend discusses how OnePlus has officially announced the end of its 5-year partnership with Hasselblad, closing a chapter that began with the OnePlus 9 going up to OnePlus 13 series. The partnership was a major step for OnePlus, bringing Hasselblad enterprise in color science and imaging to its smartphone. Looking ahead, they are focusing on the in-house system known as DeltaMax Engine. The platform is designed to prioritize realism with emphasis on sharp detail, natural colors, and minimal beautification filters. According to the company, it represents years of development and is meant to give OnePlus greater control over its camera experience. The upcoming OnePlus 15 will be the first to get this feature. But there are some community members that are weighing on the option that they change with curiosity and caution. Some members suggest it might be just a rebranding than a complete technical overhaul. As the parent company, Oppo is still keeping the partnership, and speculation that OnePlus will still use licensed Hasselblad tech behind the scene. Questions also arise whether they'll share the same elements with Oppo's new Lumo engine, highlighting the overlap between the two companies. Others express confidence that the new system could perform as well or better than Hasselblad collaboration. Users pointed out to impressed results from mid-range OnePlus 4 Nord 5 and speculated that flagship phone will improve the exceptional image quality.